Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Chronoswitch Downgrader for your PSB. First, it is critical to ensure your PSB has at least 80% battery life and remains connected to its power source throughout the process. Next, download the Chronoswitch application and the exact official firmware file you wish to downgrade to. Always double-check that the firmware file is compatible with your specific PSB model, particularly if you own a PSB Go. Now, let's get those files onto your PSB. Connect your device to your computer. You'll need to copy the extracted Chronoswitch files into a new folder named Chronoswitch within the PSB/game directory on your memory stick. Then, take your downloaded official firmware update file, rename it to eboot, PBP, and place it inside the PSB/game/update folder. Remember, PSB Go users have the flexibility to use either internal storage or a memory card for these files. With the files in place, it's time to launch the Downgrader. Disconnect your PSB from the computer and go to the game menu on your PSB's XMB. Find and launch the Chronoswitch Downgrader application. The program will display important warnings about the process. Carefully read them and press the X button to proceed. Crucially, confirm that the firmware version shown on screen is indeed the one you intend to downgrade to before continuing. Once you've confirmed your choices, Chronoswitch will initiate the official firmware updater. Follow all the on-screen instructions provided by the updater to complete the process. It is vital not to interrupt your PSB during this stage. After the update finishes, your PSB will restart. Navigate to your system information to verify that your device is now running the desired, older firmware version. Congratulations, your downgrade is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.